In the previous video, we learned how to make a text bold, how to make a text italic, and how to make a text underlined. In this video, we will learn how to make a text bold, italic, and underlined together. This will be done by nesting of tags. So change the title to nesting of tags and delete the content from the previous video. Write hello world, save the file. The output is now hello world. To make this text bold, write the opening strong tag, and after the hello world text, write the closing strong tag. Save the file. The hello world text is now in bold letters. Now we want to make this hello world text italic also. So how can we do that? For that, write the opening em tag before the hello world text and write the closing em tag after the hello world text. Save the file. Now the hello world text is bold as well as italic. And to make this hello world text underlined as well, write the opening u tag before the hello world text and write the closing u tag after the hello world text. Save the file. Now the hello world text is bold, italic as well as underlined. And remember one thing, which tag you open first, you have to close the tag at the very last. Which tag you opened at the second position, that tag you have to close at the second last position. You open the u tag at the third position, you have to close the tag at third last position. That's the basic concept of nesting of tags. So write a br tag for a new line, hit enter and write hello Thor. And to make this text bold, we will write the opening B before hello Thor and write the closing B after hello Thor. Now the hello Thor text is in bold letters. To make this text italic, we will write the opening I tag and after hello Thor we will write the closing I tag. Save the file. The hello Thor text is bold as well as italic. And to make this text underlined as well, let's use the ins tag this time. Opening ins and after hello Thor, closing ins. Save the file. The hello Thor text is bold, italic and as well as underlined.